5:30 in the morning. Why am I doing this? So the reason why I got so early out of bed is that we are delivering a multi-hull today, which is quite funny because I didn't sail so much multi-hulls before. From Amsterdam in the Netherlands to Medemblik. It's on the IJsselmeer. Used to be this Southern Sea in the Netherlands, and so now we are straight into the wind. So we're motoring from Amsterdam, passing Volendam to the left of us, and it's great. Yesterday I was sailing on miles with, you know, my own boat, and this is so spacious. I will show you around later, but this is absolutely luxurious from space point of view. It's an XS 12, and I will give you some details later. It's 10:20 in the morning. It's a bit more chilly than I expected, but basically it's a good day, and hopefully we can set some sails later, so that would be great. So first we do a outside tour. So this is one rudder position, and there's one on the other side, but we will end there. This is one hull, and the inside I will show you later. Electrical winches over here, and then we step up, and then we can oversee the roof. A lot of space. Sunroof here open now because the sun is out, and we go to the front of this XS 12. We see Remy preparing the sails because there's a slight chance that we have, after we change course, that we can put up some sails. So a lot of space here, also very different than a monohull. So wide, and basically a lot of space for recreational use. So then we go to the front. And then I turn around to give you a view of the front side. So there's the saloon and the kitchen inside, and behind it it is the sunroof space. Actually, it's quite a good sailor, the XS12. I sailed it before, and it goes pretty fast. It doesn't go as high to the wind as a monohull, but still the performance of this boat is very, very good. So let's go to the other hull side. Sail locker there. So here we walk around to the other side where the Dutch flag is waving in the wind, and this is the other rudder position, so I will also stand behind it. So here's the rudder, and then we look forward, and this is the view that you have. So as it's quite wide, and if you have to do a narrow passage, you can walk from the right rudder position to the left if that's necessary. So this is the outside area, so very, very spacious. At least room for probably 10 or 12 people. And here is the sunroof, which can also be closed. Inside, here's the kitchen, workstation or navigation table. Good view around, loads of windows, and this is the dining area inside, and again the kitchen. Let's see if there's something being prepared. Oh yes, I'm responsible for catering, so food and everything is very good. We're going down into the owner's side. So there's the middle section, which has some closets and a little bench to sit, and the owner's cabin had a 2-bed. You can even watch from here through the window. You can see the other hull. This is from the stairs. There's the saloon, the stairs down, and then you have the shower and the toilet. Window to look outside, very spacious. And this is the guest side, so there's a 2-bed here, cabin with a window, some closet space, and there's another one. And then we have here a shower too. So this is the quick tour of the XS12, and hopefully we can do some sailing. arrived in Medemblik, just in front of the regatta center. And packing and a 2-hour drive back home.